It is such an opportunity that we are all together in this space today and share our hopes and dreams for a better, gentler, more creative future full of dance. Everyone in this room understands the human cost of violence against women, and I thank you for being here to support the solution that we have, and for realizing that the women who are suffering are no different from all of us. What we need to give to the girls is the empowerment through creativity and education. Your contribution towards Project Shakti of any amount, small or big, will help us immensely in reaching our short and long-term goals. The upcoming item is Ahi Nila Shoilo, a humble request for justice and the bliss of Lord Jagannath by Sala Bega, a Muslim poet suffering from leprosy. All he wanted was to get a glance of Lord Jagannath of the Puri temple, but he was not allowed to enter the sacred temple. He was sure that his Lord, who had never disappointed any of his believers, would help him. So he prayed, citing examples of how in the Mahabharata, Krishna saved the honor of Draupadi, the wife of the 5 Pandava brothers. The brothers lost at gambling against their crooked cousin Duryodhana, who took Draupadi as his prize. Duryodhana tried to disrobe Draupadi, but Lord Krishna, responding to her cries for help, made her sari never-ending, and she was prevented from disgrace. So we see that violence against women is a manifestation of historically unequal power relations between men and women, which have led to discrimination against women by men and to the prevention of the full advancement of women, and is one of the crucial social mechanisms by which women are forced to a subordinate position compared with men. Ahi Nila Shoila shall be performed by Dipanita Roy.
কোটি মাত্র এই লজ্জা বারণ আরে নীল সই প্রবল মন্দ প্রবল মন্দ বারণ প্রবল মন্দ বারণ জাতিরে যবন কহে সালবে গাহিন জাতিরে যবন কহে সালবে গাহিন জাতিরে যবন কহে সালবে গাহিন জাতিরে শ্রীরঙ্গ চরণ তোরে শ্রীরঙ্গ চরণ তোরে শ্রীরঙ্গ চরণ তোরে শ্রীরঙ্গ চরণ তোরে করুছি জনা
The next presentation is Ye Ho Vithala, an experimental Odissi piece in praise of Lord Krishna as a female power. This item will be presented to you by Aparupa Chatterjee and the Odissi Dance Company.
Ye O Vithala. Come, O Vithala, for the love of your devotee, O Pandurange, filled with mercy, You bear the complexion of a blue rain cloud filled with water, adorned in yellow clothing. O King Keshava, come for our salvation. You are the creator of this universe, O Mother of the world. The Abhang, written in Marathi by Sant Namdev, a famous poet of Maharashtra, is an experimental neoclassical Odissi piece in praise of Lord Krishna. Abhang is a form of devotional poetry sung in praise of Vishnu or Lord Vithala. He is imagined to be Chaturbhuja holding a conch shell and a chakra, two hands resting on the waist. An invocation by the Bhaktas for Lord Pandurange Vithala, Namdev portrays him as a mother, as Ksheerabdi, Nivasini, and Jagadambe. Through the movements of the dancer, the meaning of the lyrics are highlighted as we invoke Lord Vishnu's blessing, while we lead the audience through Abhinaya and pure dance to the ultimate message of promoting global peace, especially as we witness so much of this century's violence, desecration, and pollution of some of the human minds and deeds in different corners of the world due to materialistic desires and bonds. This piece will be inundated with a fervent appeal to join forces in freeing and nurturing human minds and hearts, and to achieve universal peace or Shanti, mental and physical cleansing, and eternal salvation, Nirvana. Production choreography, Srimati Aparupa Chatterjee. Music composition by Pandit O.S. Arun.
Yeah.